Here we are bushwhacking through the trees. We're trying to beat sunlight. So we're kind of chasing the light, really. This is a bushwhacking job is what this is. So we left the North Shore of Massachusetts around 5 o'clock in the morning and made our way up into New Hampshire. And along the way, we tried to figure out exactly where we were, but Dave's GPS got us there in plenty of time. And so about 6:30, maybe 20 minutes to 7, we were at the covered bridge in Greenfield. We're over at Powder Mill Pond in Greenfield, New Hampshire, trying to get a good spot to shoot this covered bridge. I have no idea. We just tromped through the woods to find no color around it. So we're gonna look for more locations. Man, it's early. Well, we found a good location. Got some nice, beautiful reflections of the nice color in the background. Beautiful covered bridge with fall color. You can't beat that. Imagine seeing this colorful reflection as you come out of the woods. Wow. So I've got a great shot here. Got some beautiful reflections in the water. I'm going to try a number of different things, and one of them is going to maybe make a nice tight shot, which is different. So here's the shot I'm talking about right here. A little bit different, tighter, just the bottom of the bridge. Boy, look at this. This is beautiful. Really like the way this is setting up. The sun's just starting to come up. Things are going to get real bright real soon. I love this. Got some really, really nice fog coming into the image here. I love the way this is framed. Well, I found another shot here. Dave got me over here to look at a really cool reflection of the sun hitting this bright orange tree. It's really cool. So this is the shot I'm looking at right here. Pretty nice, got a really, really bright, lit up by the morning sun. Right over here we got some really, really nice reflection going on. Great stuff. Beautiful. I'm going to try some tighter stuff now that the light's starting to really hit on these leaves in the back. So I'm trying some abstract stuff. Got a lot of the pictures of the bridge, parts of the bridge, reflections, really very interesting. Okay, so here's the abstract we got going on right here. See, this is all a reflection right here. None of it is the actual scene. There's David Sokol of David Sokol Photography.
Perfect. This is such a great one.
Here's the other shot I did. It's a vertical. Really like the way these leaves draw yourself up to this right here. It's nice. Well, so far we've had a great time here. Dave brought us to some really interesting places over here on the Contuca River, I think it is. Great bridge over here and some wonderful reflections. It's been really, really great. So now we're gonna head off to another location here in southern New Hampshire.
All right, let's see where we're going here.
Who knows? So Dave, what's the next location we're going to?
We're heading to Henniker for the Henniker covered bridge.
Oh, another covered bridge. This is great. Boy, oh boy. So this here is David Sokol of David Sokol Photography. I'm going to put a link up to his website. So I bet you can't wait to see if he got better stuff than I did, because he probably did.
No, I wouldn't say that. You're the one that taught me everything.
Oh no, I don't think that's true. Well, we're finding that it's a little bit difficult to shoot this bridge. The sun is not really in the right place, unfortunately. It comes at too high an angle, so it's lighting up one side of the river and not the other side. So I'm not really sure what we're gonna do. Sure is a lot of cars going over this bridge though. So we get some pretty cool shots inside the New England College covered bridge in Henniker, New Hampshire. I like the perspective on this. I'm trying a few different things, but really cool with the color in the background and the tresses of this particular bridge. Is pretty nice. Some great color here, boy. Boy, oh boy. Some great color from this river right here. Well, after shooting the inside of this bridge, we headed down underneath and walked along a path by the river, and we came across some great color lying in the water, and the sunlit leaves really jumping out at you. It was a great experience. Then I found this small leaf sitting on some granite, made a shot of that as well. Overall, our experience up in southern New Hampshire went very well. We made good use of the early light and made some great shots. So if you like this video, please subscribe to the channel, give me a thumbs up and a comment, and hit the notification bell. That would be awesome. So until next week, we'll catch you next time.